Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome on Parrot OS 6.2, but the process is same on all Parrot security OS. See, first search whether we have the Google Chrome installed as default application or not on Parrot OS. See, we have the Chrome web browser, but it is not the latest one. So we are going to install the latest version of the Google Chrome. Go to applications, then internet, then see here, these are the list of the browsers that comes with Parrot. Okay. So open the Firefox, then go to Google, search for Chrome, download. Then click on this Google Chrome web browser. Then click on download, then select the .debian package. For Parrot or Kali Linux, we have to download the .debian package. Select Debian and click on accept and install. See, download started and its size is 108 megabytes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. CD downloads ls. See here we have the Google Chrome stable current Debian package. Install it. Sudo dpkg-i Google Chrome. Google, give the tab. Hit enter. See, installation complete. Remove this file, it is not required anymore. Google RM. Okay. Now go to menu, then search for Chrome. See here we have the Google Chrome. Okay. Even if you go here, internet, see here we have Google Chrome. Click on it. Make Google Chrome the default browser. I don't want. Automatically send usage stats. I don't want. Click on OK. Don't sign in. Got it. See. This is the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, so we have successfully installed latest version of Google Chrome on Parrot OS. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.